Here's a quick video to show you what we're going to do to this thrift store find. We're painting it and then watch out. See what we do next. Right now we're just putting chalk paint on it and then we're going to add a little something else to it. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video so you can see what we do. Hi, this is Jody from Cody's General Store, and today our video is going to be about our air dry clay molded flowers. I use the ILD molds, and I've already made my flowers ahead of the time. You can see another tutorial for that if you want to see how I did them. I'm gluing them on with, I usually use wood glue, but this time I'm using a 3-in-1, it's called. So I'm just putting the glue on the back of this clay mold flowers and pressing it hard on the vase. And that vase, you can see in another tutorial where we painted it with the Annie Sloan satin chalk paint. So we did that. We're now applying our flowers in the design that we want. I like my projects to be kind of cohesive and the pattern to flow. So as you can see, I'm just kind of placing them on there, just experimenting where I want them and just getting them all laid down on the vase while it's upright. So now once again, I'm gluing the pieces on. I've got it to where I want it positioned. Put the glue on the back and then place it on my vase. Easy peasy, just pressing it down, making sure all my edges are attached to the vase with the glue so they don't come off and they're secure. I will be painting this again too, using some blending methods on this and painting those gorgeous flowers that are wrapping themselves around this vase. And once again, this is a thrift store find. So you can find all kinds of treasures if you go garage sales or treasure hunting on your thrift stores, but you can place it on there, glue it, and it'll be ready to go. Just let it dry before you even think about painting it. And this too was a wet flowers. They weren't dry. The clay was not dry. So I put it on there when they were wet so I could mold them and shape them to that round vase. And here we go, end product. Make sure you follow us and like us on YouTube for more videos.